Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another video for scrap timber. Today's prompt is hearts. We are also combining this with Blooms Around the World on Ginger's Corner, and today we are visiting France. So, to earn your flower for this country, you must create a monochromatic layout using purple as your primary color palette. You must also include a fleur-de-lis somewhere on your layout. So, y'all have seen this cut file before. I'm doing more sunflower pictures. I don't know if I'm getting to the end or not. Y'all have seen this before. This is a cut file I created on Cricut, just putting a bunch of different hearts together and welding it. I did back it with some of my leftover purple paper from my layout the other day ago. I have some basic white cardstock. I cut out some fleur-de-lis. I got some stamped flowers. I have this cute little bear that I created that I'm going to add, and the title Beautiful. And we're going to do some mixed media stuff. I have 5 shades of purple that I am going to paint onto the paper. So, I did not get ready for this. Not really. Let me get my mat. Okay. Since I'm going to be messing with paint, I don't want to make too big of a mess here. So, let me put down my mixed media mat. As you can tell, it's a little bit stained from all the fun things I've been doing. Okay, let me make sure we're in frame. Okay. Alright, so, I don't really have a plan. I'm just going to paint. Like, I thought I want to put my pictures down the side, and I'm thinking about putting this sideways like this, because I don't want to cover it up, and I'm thinking about putting my pictures here. So, I'm thinking about doing my strokes this way for my paint. So, I'm going to move all this. I'm afraid I'm going to accidentally get paint on it. Okay, I'm going to start out with the lightest shade, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squirt some on here. And let's see, probably this one and this one. Trying to go in order of like lightest to darkest. And we'll see how the paper holds up. This one's really dark. I about really did it then. I about got it everywhere. And it's always handy to have paper towels around. Oh, I actually have some. Yay, because I already have it all over my fingers. Okay. So, I'm just going to start out with the lightest color, because I'm going to keep reusing my brush. So, I'm just going to paint it on like this. And then I'm going to go into this one. Uh-oh, Pip's getting up here looking. No, he likes to get in everything, sticking his little nose where it does not belong. Okay, let's go with this one. I always like painting. I used this cut file before that I created, and I really loved it, how it turned out. I think I used it when I was doing my, using up all the simple vintage berry papers, and I did it, and I painted red, blue, and yellow. Okay, I'm gonna wipe some of this out because I want to go back and add just a little bit more of this light one. to the top because this one's all the way down. I got it all over my hand. I think it's still gonna be too much. I didn't bring water or anything in here. Okay, good. It ain't too bad. Okay. I'm going to let that dry for just a minute, and I'm going to go and wash out my paintbrush. I think I will also add some white splatters on here with my this Dina Wakley gloss spray. So I'll put that on there, let it dry, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and it's all dry. So now we're just going to build. Let's see. Oh yes, I love it. Okay. So I'm going to glue this down. Oops. Okay. Press that all down. Alright, and then I have my photos of me and my girls. Uh-oh, got paper stuck. Oh my goodness, y'all. I think I'm out of glue. Okay, hold this down for just a minute. Get everything to stick really good. Add a little bit more glue here. Alright, and then I have my bear and my title. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I don't know if I want my bear here. Let's see. I'm thinking I want to keep it down here. And do my title like right here. It does kind of make it hard to see though. And then I'm just going to add my flowers. And then I think I'm just going to tuck flowers in here and there. Let's see here. I would have used yellow flowers, but since it has to be a purple monochromatic layout, that kind of knocked that one out. So I will glue it down. I will put close-ups at the end for you guys to come see. Go over and check out the Blooms Around the World on Ginger's Corner and check out the Scrap Timber playlist and see what everyone else has created this month. I hope that you guys are inspired to use up your stash. And until next time, bye y'all.